page number 61. So, come on, we'll read it together. First line. Come on, bachcho. On page number 61, we have to fill the blank by using please, excuse me, thank you, and sorry. Okay, excuse me is left. We should say excuse me before interrupting. Yes, exactly. When we have to say excuse me, when we interrupt someone in something. अगर हम किसी को बीच में से कुछ कहते हैं, for example, if two persons are talking, मान लो कोई दो लोग बात कर रहे हैं and आपको उनको बीच में रोकना है, तो आप क्या डायरेक्टली उन्हें रोक सकते हो? Can you interrupt them directly? No. First of all, you have to say excuse me and then you say. ठीक है? If you are interrupting someone in something, then you should say excuse me. So these are the four magic words. Thank you, please, sorry, and excuse me. Dhruv Arora, now you are asking which book. I had already written in the chat box as well, after saying many times. Awareness skill book, page number 60. Why you don't pay attention in class? Okay. All right. So you understood when we should say sorry. Excuse me. When we are interrupting someone in something, we should say excuse me first. For example, जब आप स्कूल आते, when you used to come school, जब आप स्कूल आते थे, ठीक है, and we sit together in a table, तो हम लोग नॉर्मली क्या करते हैं? अगर हमें बाहर निकलना हो तो हम सबको पुश करेंगे और बाहर आ जाएंगे. Isn't it? We do the same thing. So no, you don't have to do. You should say excuse me. अगर कोई आपके सामने खड़ा है या आपके पास बैठा है and आपको वहां से निकलना है, तो first of all you say excuse me and then you have to come out. Understood? अगर दो लोग बात कर रहे हैं, two persons are talking and आपको आपके बीच में बात करनी है. For example, मम्मी किसी से बात कर रहे हैं और आपको मम्मा से कुछ कहना है, तो आप डायरेक्टली बीच में नहीं बोल सकते. These are bad manners. You have to first say excuse me and then आपको उसमें बीच में इंटरप्ट करना है. All right? चलो. On page number 61, we have to write down कि at what time we have to use please, excuse me, thank you, and sorry. So we read it together, the sentences, and then we'll write down. Okay? Chalo, come on, look in your book. Keep your finger over there below the sentence. Chalo, read it. When you hurt someone, S-O-M-E, some, O-N-E-1, someone. When you hurt someone. अगर hurt someone मतलब किसी को लग जाना, ऐसा नहीं कि आपने जान कर अगर किसी को मारा तो ही आपको सॉरी कहना है. बाय मिस्टेक भी अगर आपसे कोई हर्ट हो जाता है, then also you have to say sorry to him or her. ठीक है? So when you hurt someone, अगर आपसे किसी को कुछ लग जाती है या किसी का कुछ बुरा हो जाता है, तो at that time you have to say sorry. S-O-R-R-R-Y. Sorry. If you hurt someone, in that case, you say sorry. Is the word visible to you? If it is visible, you kindly see here and write down. If it is not, then the help box is given above. You can take the help from there as well. All right? S-O-R-R-Y. Sorry. When you hurt someone, we should say sorry at that time. S-O-R-R-Y. Sorry. Okay, the next one. When, read it everyone. When someone gives you a gift. अगर आपको कोई गिफ्ट देता है, when someone gives you a gift, at that time what should you say? आप क्या कहोगे उस टाइम पर? Please, excuse me, or thank you. What you are going to say? Yes, exactly. We are going to say thank you at that time. So write down thank you. T-H-N-K, T-H-A-N-K, thanks, and you. Y-O-U, thank you. When someone gives you a gift, अगर आपको कोई गिफ्ट देता है, at that time you should say thank you to him or her. Is the board visible to you all? If it is not visible, in that case, you kindly take the help from the given help box. It is given above the sentences. When someone gives you a gift, you should say thank you. In case of any doubt, any confusion, kindly ask me. All right, now move to next. Next sentence. When you want to request someone, if you are requesting something to someone, अगर आप किसी से किसी तरह की request कर रहे हैं, so what you have to say at that time? You have to say please. For example, if you want a pencil from him, है ना? If you want a book, if you want something, so आप क्या कहोगे? Please, please, can you give me this? Like this, है ना? We have to use the word please. So these all are magic words. These 4 are magic words. We can use different words in different situations. Please. P-L-E-S-E. Please. P-L-E-A-S-E. Please. When you want to request someone, you should say please. P-L-E-A-S-E. Please. Yes, you can go to washroom. Ikra and come fast. Okay, now the last one. When you want to leave the place, just how I told you, जैसे हम जब स्कूल आते थे, we all used to sit together. तो क्या होता है when we want to go out, we basically push everyone, हम सबको हटाते हैं, धक्का देते हैं, and we come out. So that's a good thing? No, that's not a good thing, है ना? We should say excuse me, and it applies everywhere. If you want to go somewhere, if you want to leave any place, अगर हम सबके साथ बैठे हैं और हमें कहीं जाना है, so we have to say first excuse me to them and then you go. All right? So when you want to leave the place, you should say excuse me. E-X-U-S-E, excuse me. So we should use the 4 magic words in our daily life. We have to use that. And I hope many of you are using now as well. आप में से बहुत सारे यूज करते होंगे, and those who are not using, you have to use that. ठीक है? When you hurt someone, you should say sorry. When someone gives you a gift, you should say thank you. When you want to request someone, you should say please at that time. And when you want to leave the place, you should say excuse me. Excuse me. E-X-C-U-S-E-M-E. Excuse me. E-X-C-U-S-E. Excuse me. Excuse me. So these are the magic words. These are the magic words. With these magic words, you can you can survive in any of the worst situation as well. You can use the words, है ना? This will tackle all the situations. Most of the situations we can say. All right. So parents, kindly check the board. So now everyone stand up. Done everyone. Very nice, bachcho. Well done. Well done. Write down neatly. Okay, I am visible and audible to Hannah, isn't it? Okay. Chalo, come on, kiddos. Now stand up for the Hindi rhyme. The title of the Hindi rhyme is Char Naukar. We'll repeat it, then we'll do our maths work. Come on, everyone stand up for the Hindi rhyme. What is the title of the Hindi rhyme? The title of the Hindi rhyme is Char Naukar. Very nice. Said, very good, well done. Chalo, stand up everyone. Yes, Rishal, you may go and come fast then. Chalo, what's the title of the rhyme? Char Naukar. Let's start. Start everyone. मेरे पास है 4 नौकर, हरदम रहते हैं तैयार, 2 तो है ये मेरे हाथ, हरदम देते मेरा साथ, 2 ही है ये मेरे पैर, मुझे कराते हर दिन सैर, ना पीते हैं ना खाते हैं, जहाँ कहूँ मैं ले जाते हैं. All right, चलो one more time. All right, again, start. मेरे पास है 4 नौकर, हरदम रहते हैं तैयार, 2 तो है ये मेरे हाथ, हरदम रहते मेरे साथ, 2 ही है ये मेरे पैर, मुझे कराते हर दिन सैर, ना पीते हैं ना खाते हैं, जहाँ कहूँ मैं ले जाते हैं. All right, well done, बच्चों. Now sit down. Now we have to do our maths work. Look, yes, in comparison to English and Hindi rhyme, they'll rhyme the Hindi rhyme more fast, but English rhyme here you have to do the practice at home as well. All right, then only they are going to learn it. Now do the maths work, then we'll revise our English rhyme as well. Come on. At the end, we are going to revise the English rhyme as well. Bachcho, now get your mathematics copy and write down today's date. Today the date is 17/1/2022. 17/1/2022. Before numbers. Before, you all know before means pehle. Before means pehle. Okay. So we had, as I told you earlier as well, for doing the before numbers, we have to say the reverse counting. So we had completed our reverse counting from 100 to 81 in the previous class. है ना? So we should say the reverse counting for before numbers. All right, write down the date first. Come on. So we'll do it together, okay? The first number is 82. Before मतलब होता है पहले, so we should say the reverse counting for writing the before numbers. All right. The first number is 82. All right, now बच्चों, let's say the reverse counting because 80 वाली line है तो we'll say from 90. Okay, let's start. 90, 89, 88, 87. Come on, say 86. We हमारा revision भी हो जाएगा. We'll revise it also. Okay, 86, 85, 84. 83, 82, and 81. So what comes before 82? 81. So you should say the reverse counting for writing the before numbers. Now, the next number is next number is 84. Okay. Now again we have to say reverse counting. Start. So say the reverse counting. 90, 90. Come on, say revision होगा आपका. 89, 89. 88, 88. 87, 87. 86, 86. 85, 85. 83 comes before 84. Write down. For doing before numbers, first of all, you should learn the reverse counting. Okay, then it will become easy for you to write down the before numbers. Come on. The next one is 87. So again, we have to say the reverse counting for writing down the before number. If you have completed, you just sit and revise it again. Okay, come on. So let's say the reverse counting. 90, 89, 89, 88, 88, 87, 87, and then 86, 86. So what comes before 87? 86 comes before 87. Okay, say the reverse counting, bachcho, and then you are able to write that. Now, next number is 90, 90. 90, 90. Say the reverse counting. 90, 90, and 89, 89. Okay. So you have to say the reverse counting. All right. Come on. Before 90, 90, what comes before 90, 90? 89, 89 comes before 90, 90. All right, now the next one is 95, 95. Chalo, say the reverse counting from 100. 100, 99, 98, 97, 96, 95 and 94. So what comes before 95? 94 comes before 95. All right. Now, next number is 98. So what you have to do? You have to say the reverse counting again. Come on. Now say the reverse counting. 100, 99, 98 and 97. What comes before 98? 97 comes before 98. Revise the reverse counting again and again, bachcho. All right. Now the next one is 100. So say the reverse counting. 100 and 99. 99. So what comes before 100? 99 comes before number 100. All right. So remember before. Remember that when we are writing before numbers, we should say the reverse counting. Okay, then only we are it become easy for us for writing before numbers. All right, bachcho, have you written? Have you written? Say the reverse counting. Revise the reverse counting daily. Okay. Parents, kindly check the copies, please. Kindly check the copies.